Ever wondered how artificial intelligence is transforming the marketing landscape? The buzz is real. Just as in the frenzy that followed the advent of email marketing and text message advertising, AI in marketing is currently experiencing a similar surge of excitement. But should we get caught up in this whirlwind, or should we tread more cautiously? Consider the difference between a mania-driven adoption and a measured implementation. Mania often leads to a hasty adoption, where the new and shiny becomes irresistible. But this speed can overlook the critical alignment with existing strategies, and even potentially disrupt the overall technology stack. On the other hand, measured implementation involves a more careful approach. It involves assessing the technology's compatibility with business goals, potential risks, and resource allocation. It's about making sure that the shiny new tool actually fits into the existing toolbox without causing unnecessary disruption. Then there's the risk of overinvestment. Mania can lead to pouring resources into the latest trend, even if it might not integrate effectively with existing systems or yield the expected returns. If limited resources are allocated towards trendy new techs, what happens to the trusty standbys that have been working well for years? Measured implementation emphasizes strategic investment, evaluating a technology's long-term value and potential return before committing resources. It's about making sure that the investment will indeed pay off in the long run. Decision-making is another crucial aspect. Mania can be influenced by hype or peer pressure, whereas measured implementation relies on empirical evidence. It's about validating the technology's efficacy through data, pilot tests, and results analysis before going all in. Mania-driven adoption often focuses on short-term gains, overlooking the long-term sustainability of the technology. Charismatic marketing experts sometimes drive the mania through large-scale in-person conference speeches and webinars, where they drive the desire for adopting brand-new technologies and processes. This is where it's important to be mindful. Skilled marketers know how to filter what they hear and read, and distinguish helpful advice from hype. Measured implementation, however, prioritizes sustainability, considering scalability, flexibility, and adaptability to evolving market dynamics. Finally, mania can often lead to a reactive approach, driven by the fear of missing out, or FOMO, on the latest trend. Measured implementation, on the other hand, takes a proactive approach, driven by a clear understanding of the organization's goals, challenges, and opportunities. In the world of AI and marketing, mania can seem thrilling, but remember, it's not necessarily sustainable for your company or your team. So why not approach this innovation with a more measured mindset? With careful planning, strategic investment, evidence-based decision-making, and a focus on long-term sustainability, you can harness the power of AI in marketing effectively and efficiently.